Here we are over in Oldham this morning, installing a Starlink for a customer for a commercial job on a Premier plus 6-bedroom flat upstairs. So for this one we've gone with a Starlink as the main input, wired down in a Cat6 cable through into his office. We've run 2 mesh networks off his Starlink, one for the upstairs flats and one for the shop all downstairs. (18-inch T&K brackets, 3.5 foot mast and our own pole adapter. Customer's happy, he's receiving 250 megabytes plus per second on both his networks, upstairs and downstairs. This is Aaron for Space Internet Solutions.